Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So solve these two simultaneous equations. Even though it looks strange here because of the because of the decimals here, you can still use the same principle to solve it. So either eliminate the two x's or eliminate the two y's. So anyway, well, press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. Now let's eliminate the y first because well it looks simpler. So if you just multiply equation 1, multiply equation 1 by 2. So multiply everything by 2 in equation 1. So this multiplied by 2 will be 8x, okay, 8x, and then this multiplied by 2 will give us minus 6x, and then this multiplied by 2 will give us minus 0.8. Let's call this equation 3. Now look at this here. This 6x, positive 6x, and then you've got negative 6x. If you add the two equations, the two y's will kill off each other. So let's get equation 2 and then add it to equation 3. So basically we are going to get the whole thing here, add it to this whole thing here. Okay, so this would be 8x plus 5x, that would be 13x, and then you've got negative 6y, and then here you've got 6y. They're going to kill off each other, leaving you nothing. So this would be like this, and now remember we are going to get this added to this, and it turns out that that's the same as you getting when you add the two, it would be this. It boils down to actually getting 7.9 taken away 0.8. Okay, so this will be 1, this will be 7, and it will be a negative. So it will be negative 7.1. Okay, now divide both sides by 13. So x equals this, negative 17, blah blah blah, negative 7.1 divided by 13. So this here would be your answer. Okay, you could get a calculator and turn it into a decimal, or you could get this thing and then put it into here, okay, and then work it out. But I think it's actually easier if we start in order to find out y now. Well, in order to find out y, you could put this thing back into the x and then work backwards to find out y. But because this number is really ugly here, this number here is really ugly, well, I'm going to start right from the beginning and then try and eliminate the y in order to work out the x. Okay, so let's okay, so the answer for x is this. Okay, but because this number is so ugly, I'm going to start again and try and eliminate the y instead. Eliminate the y in order to, sorry, I'm going to eliminate the x, and then we found out y, we found out x already. Now we need to find out y. So let's go back to the beginning and eliminate the x in order to find out y. Okay, so x is this answer here. Now I'm going to start again and then eliminate the two x's here, and then from this we can work out y equals something. Okay, so earlier we've worked out x, but because the number is so ugly, it's hard to put it back. So let's just start again. Let's just multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 4, and then we can kill it off. Okay, so let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. So now multiply equation 1, multiply that by 5. So this will be 20x, and then minus 15y equals negative 0.4 times 5. So this will be 20, carry the 2. well, it's going to be well, with 0 times 5, that would be 0, plus 2 will be 2, 1, well, it's going to be 2, okay, negative 2, because we've got a negative here, so it would be negative 2, and then 4, sorry, equation 2 times 4, so this times 4 will give us 20x, hang on, wait a, so this will give us 20x, and then this times 4 will give us 24y plus 24y, and then this times 4 would be 7.9 times 4 would be 36, carry a 3, 28, 31, 1 decimal, it would be 31.6. Okay, now let's just get this. Well, you see, this is a positive. If I get this minus this, it would give me a positive answer because it's a minus 2. Well, basically, we need to eliminate the x's here because you've got 20 here, 20 here. Let's just get one, take away the other. But you could get minus 2, take away this. But then that will give you a negative answer. Let's just get equation. Let's call this equation 3 and equation 4. So now let's just get equation 4. Equation 4 take away equation 3. So we are going to get equation 4 take away equation 3. Okay. So this will be well the two x's will kill off each other. Now positive 24y take away negative 15y. So it's like adding the 2. So this will be 39y. 39y equals remember basically this plus 2. So that would be 33. That would be 33.6. Okay, and then divide both sides by 39. So it would be this number here. Okay, and we can leave it as this. Leave it as a fraction. Okay, we could do it well. Anyway, y here is your answer. Okay.